Okay, folks, listen, you guys have asked, I've listened, here it is. Listen, today I'm bringing back the Crockpot videos, right? Listen, this is gonna be super easy. We making a Crockpot, or some of you guys call them slow cooker. Listen, we making a Crockpot chicken and rice. Super easy, true dump and go. Let's get it. And before, I'm not gonna do all of that. You guys know that the full ingredient list is on my website. That's smokingandgrillingwithab.com, and that's WITAB.com. Now, all right, so now let me just say, this is what I did. A lot of people ask me, do I preheat? I just preheated mine, you know what I mean, to get it nice and, hot prior to me dumping everything in here, right? So I've already cleaned, and washed my chicken, right? So this is it. This is about 1 pound. This is the chicken breast, right? I'm just gonna take this and lay this right here in the middle, right? I use paper towels and, just to get some of the moisture off, and I use a paper plate because I'm the one that's doing the dishes, right? So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a bowl, and now I want you guys to pay attention. We call it dump and go, but we gotta mix all the ingredients here, and it's gonna make sense to you in just 1 second. Now, this is what I mean when I say to make sense to you. I'm gonna add, listen, we got our mixed veggies, right? We put that in there. I'm gonna add my rice, and then my onion, right? So we're gonna add just a little bit of this onion here. And don't forget, full ingredient list is on my website, smokingandgrillingwithab.com, and that's WITAB.com. Right? I like to keep everything nice and clean. Now, this is cream of chicken. Let's open this up. Now we're gonna take this and we're just gonna add this right here on top. Now it should start to make sense to you, everybody, why we put it in a bowl first and mix it. Don't forget, we got that big 1 pound, chicken breast, right? If I try to stir all this up in there, it's not gonna get, mixed up properly, right? So we do it just like that. I'm not gonna add no water to it or nothing like that. This is what I wanna have. I wanna get it all out. I don't want it to be runny, right? Now, I'm just gonna give it just a little bit of a mix like this, right? Now, let's talk about flavors, and seasoning. Now, we got a little medley of flavor in there like that. You see that? That right there. And it's gonna smell right. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be adding my A seasoning. This is perfect. Goes excellent with poultry. So this right here, we're gonna do it. And you guys got it, because it's been moving off of the shelf, right? So we'll just put some of that in there, like that. So you guys can probably say it along with me. Once I put that in there, what do I add next? You got it. It'll be my fresh black cracked pepper. Then after this, after we get enough pepper in here, right? We always gonna use a little bit of this kosher salt. Now, for those of us that have been off of salt, this got a lot of salt in it because we use the cream of chicken and all of that. But I do like to add just a pinch just to enhance the flavors, right? And if I